Hello children, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see another type of question where we are going to apply the surface area of a cuboid. Here is a question. The dimension of a rectangular box are in the ratio of 2:3:4 and the difference between the cost of covering it with a sheet of paper at the rate of rupees 8 and rupees 9.50 per meter square is rupees 1248. Find the dimension of the box. So now let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so now you have a rectangular box and they have given the dimension here. The dimensions are, it is 2:3:4. So the ratio here it is, the ratio is equal to 2:3:4. So now the other information what you know is the difference of the cost. What's the difference of the cost, children? So now we will see how to solve this question. Whatever is given in the question, I have just written it down here. The ratio is 2:3:4 and the cost of covering it, they have given two different values. It is at rupees 8 and at rupees 9.50 and the difference between these two is also given. The first step is whenever they have given you the ratio, you have to consider the dimension with x. You have to take it with the x value. Now let the dimension be 2x, 3x and 4x. Remember, whenever they give you in the ratio, you have to take along with x. So now once if you want to find out the area covered here, you have to find out the total surface area of, as it is a rectangular box, it will be total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So now this is, we can take 2x, 3x and 4x. So I will just substitute the values here. It will be 2x into 3x plus 3x into 4x plus 4x into 2x. So now that will be equal to 2 into 3 is 6, 6x square. 3 into 4 is 12, x square plus 4 into 2 is 8, x square. So you can add 12 plus 8 will be 20. So 20 plus 6 is 26. So 2 into 26x square is nothing but 52x square. So now here you have got 52x square is the total surface area of the box. Now you have to calculate the cost of it at the rupees of 8 and at the rupees of 9.50. So we will see the next step how to solve it. So now I have written the total surface area of the box, which is equal to 52x square. So now the cost of covering it at the rate of rupees 8 will be equal to 52x square into 8. And here it will be 52x square into 9.50. Don't find the final product, keep as it is because it's going to be common here. And the other information what you know here it is the difference between both the cost you know. Suppose if you are going to keep this cost as C1 and this cost as C2, we know the difference between C1 and C2. The difference between C1 and C2 is 1248. So the difference between C1 minus C2 is equal to 1248. So now we will substitute the value what we have got. It is 52x square into 8 minus 52x square into 9.50. Both are equal to 1248. So now we know this 52x square and 52x square is common. So we will put it outside the bracket and the remaining one we can write it inside. So it will be 9.50 minus 8 which is equal to 1248.